morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Things from now on are probably going to be a little different. Things have happened in my personal life, which just, trust me. So last night, this week is going to be jumbled. Just trust me. Last night, I prepared, because I was cooking for me, I did a linguine and green pea pasta. Linguine, peas, which were frozen before I nuked them. Some butter, some olive oil, and that. I made way too much. I ate way too much. Today, this is a perfect day for soup. I have scheduled on this week a lentil soup with lemon, and that is what I'm going to make today. Again, I'm cooking for moi. Yes. So let's get to it. Hardware: Dutch oven, an immersion blender, or AKA the boat motor, which, as you know, is one of my favorite gadgets in the kitchen. I'll be using mung chaka, or green lentils. These are sourced at LA Merchandise. Unfortunately, they only come, the smallest is a 4-pound bag. We have a simple mirepoix going on here: carrots, celery, and onion. And we'll have obviously some garlic. This is an Indian dish. This is an Indian soup. So we got plenty of garlic, a little bit of olive oil because I got to saute up the mirepoix. Salt, which is kosher, black pepper, plenty of veggie stock, and we'll be adding some cumin, coriander, a little bit of turmeric, and of course, lemon juice. It's a real simple soup. It simmers for about 40 to 45 minutes in total time. And yeah, that'll be my dinner tonight and probably tomorrow. I still have some things. Like I said, my life has kind of gone upside down. My personal life. So I'm going to try to continue doing what I do at the best of possibility. I am out of Facebook jail. I have full rights again to share, post, and all the goodies in this group and my other group. 3 days, 3.5, something like that. It was hell. All right. On this cloudy, rainy day here in Sutter County, California, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.